This is what democracy looks like. A million different makes of burger. All the toppings you can dream of. Reconstituted fried potato starch, recondimented. This is what democracy looks like. A million different makes of TV. All the programs we can think of. Celebrities on every channel, pre-condimented. Don't forget to say thank you. Don't forget to say please. Be sure and have a nice day now. Everybody, get down on your knees. You're free. You're free. This is what democracy looks like. You know, it's good for you and better for us. Say hello to your nice new government. And we've got the tanks to prove it. Pre-condimented. What do you mean? You don't want it? But this is what you're getting anyway. How come you keep shooting at us? We told you what democracy looks like, pre-condimented. And don't forget to say thank you. Don't forget to say please. Be sure and have a nice day now. Everybody, get down on your knees. You're free. You're free. This is what democracy looks like. Billionaires electing their president. This is what democracy looks like. Millions buying lottery tickets. This is what democracy looks like. Gangsters, Guantanamo Bay. This is what democracy looks like. Abu Ghraib, Abu Ghraib, Abu Ghraib, Abu Ghraib, Abu Ghraib, Abu Ghraib, Abu Ghraib.